It's possible for him to twist the head of the government by claiming that he's an angel, but he just resumed or established what he calls the pool of Bethesda. We made videos and the governor heard us. Well, let me block this idiot. You don't need to be here. Come on, get out from here. Man, I get bro from one family. Or you want to respect. Come on, get away from here, you. I can send you my songs. So, sir, there is need to look into these angles. Onye Eze Jesus came online. There are series of videos. While we were posting these videos, he was still ranting. Akunara to go wait. No matter where you are. My major concern is not even all these people, though. Even Onye Eze Jesus, let him just, because the kettle was causing the pot black. Please chat me on WhatsApp. I'll send you the songs. I'll send it to you. Survivor is, I'll send it to you. Extend it to Akunara Togo. Extend it. Even the governor of Imo State. The governor of Imo State. There is a particular pastor. I wish Opus Odimma, the governor of Imo State, will consider this particular thing. There is a pastor in Imo State. He has albums like me. He sings. But sir, if I tell you the things this guy has committed, this guy is worse than kidnappers. This guy is worse than native doctors. These people should be dealt with. Not only right now, these fake pastors, prophet, doctor, ambassador, they are rejoicing right now. But a lot of people, so many women are not there to complain. They cannot come out bold like this and say what they are passing through. Everybody watching me at the comment section here, now believe me, there are certain things people tells me on the call that I may not even be able to say on the internet. What they have been through. These pastors, I'm telling you, they are people that if you just start mentioning their names on the internet, they will go the other way around. What they do is they rent people to come and perform fake miracles for them in their churches. I have so many series of informations about this. There is one in Umaka. There's one in Umaka. This one, the more mean. Around Umaka. I have video evidences of this. Even some videos where somebody confessed him. Well, let me block these callings. Where is he? Come and get out from here, you. Come and get out from this page, Onya. Come on. Oh yeah, another person comment nonsense. Let me block you. Comment rubbish again. Comment. Let me discipline you a bit.
Lord, I love you.
Well, let me suspend this one again. Oh yeah, next comment. No, I need to block you. Oh yeah, next comment. Next, please. You don't need to be here.
We love you.
Next, I beg. Comment rubbish. So Onye Eze Jesus has been arrested. That's the news. Onye Eze has been arrested. He came out ranting, making videos. Was it yesterday morning? Okay, he came out trying to defend. Do you know what it means that this guy was busy showcasing people's ladies' nude picture? Check and go see now. I've been a story. I said Onye Eze did by himself. Why did I keep these videos? I just go see this video. Just 1 minute. Watch. I just go see her. So be very, very careful. Because more man go see her too much because of Facebook. Where is the way you made this thing? So they can go see both male and female, all of them together one place. In your home one. Onye Eze posted this thing by himself. Well, let me block this idiot. Come on, get away from here. And can't win your mother. Look who this stupid. I told me because of Vicky. Can suspend the again. You get what I'm saying? So he did this particular videos. Chat me on WhatsApp. I'll send them to you. At least you should have conscience. And he came out to twist it to, if you watch him on the video yesterday while he was talking, 2 wrongs can never make a right. If you are a victim tomorrow, you want justice, you want equity and justice. But if it is meted against another person, you feel comfortable with it. Somebody who associates himself, and I don't know why. If PFM could keep quiet on this kind of thing, or can. Onye Eze has been arrested. Onye Eze is in custody right now as I speak to you now. Now somebody just commented, Onye, see, he took 500,000 from me. Austin, precious. Just wait, let me pin this your comments. Where is that Austin? Austin precious and they have wine. I pin this your comments so that people can be seeing it. Do you know what Onye Eze has cost? Do you know the things Onye Eze, this so-called Onye Eze Jesus has done? Somebody asked for my number. Let me comment it now. 091 300 091 300 65170 091 300 65170. That's my number. So when Onye Eze came out and said that he repented around June last year, go and check his activities from that same June. Chat me on this WhatsApp now. I will send you the video. The video I am talking about. Igbo Rants Jesus negotiate on them. People be afraid here as a normal thing. How do you feel? Even when you post a post too, maybe EGM analyze like this. Do you know what my people will tell me at the end of the day? The way they will bash on me. Onye Eze Jesus did a lot. Chat me with the number I just commented, my number here. Let me forward this, at least 5 of Onye Eze's video to you. You see for yourself. Have conscience, and he took advantage of these people. Chukwu Imana n'olu, Imana n'olu me, Imana n'olu, Imana n'olu me, Imana n'olu, Imana n'olu me. Dear Governor Charles Soludo, dear Professor Charles Soludo, please, sir. Onye Eze Jesus, arresting him was a bold step, and many of us who does not support or tolerate this kind of abnormalities, he does. Sir, we appreciate, but we want to make a demand.
And we said, God, even if the whole world forsake us, but we shall.
We want to make a demand. Before then, let me comment my number here again. Some people are still asking for it.
Thou son of David.
Martin, you said even our women. Yes, now wait, make I comment my number. Chat me on WhatsApp. I will send you the videos. Imananolu, Imananolu, Chigabana na idereno.
Imananolu.
Ebube Imana n'olu, Imana n'olu. I just pinned my number now.
Now you the
Now you the reno. Choli la nyandimo. Now you the reno. Ebube Imana n'olu, Imana n'olu. All right, sir. Dear Professor Charles Soludo, sir, for your good conduct, we are making a demand. Sir, we are making a demand that Akunara Tugo should be arrested. Well, let me block you. Let me block this Prince. Prince, goodbye from this page, okay? Or let me suspend you. I want to give you a second chance to think like a human being. I suspend you for now. The next time I see your stupid comments, I am going to treat you like one of those. People are chatting me already. I'll send the videos you will get. So, dear sir, please, dear Professor Charles Soludo, right now, Onye Eze Jesus is in custody. Akwa is in custody. AK Hit is in custody for questioning. And I can tell you for free that some of these cases will get to the court, because if the governor releases them, they will go to court. They will try to sue the state government. But let it be that they get whatever they have asked for through the people should wait through the courts. All right, so if the court grants them bail, they should go home. Okay, so dear Governor Charles Soludo, this alone shows that you or your aides watches most of the things we are doing on the internet here. And so we want to make a humble demand, and I do pray. And then let me do this. People should stop sending messages first. I'm using the same phone to do something right now. So I want to bring out the videos of one video of Akunara Tugo that the world may see why I make demand. And then what's up? I just on this data now. So I want you all to see the need some of the reasons why we said Akunara Tugo should be arrested. He should be in custody. People are manquim. So I want to bring out some of his videos. Now, I was zoom Madoka. Hold on. Let me find another one. People no go green me. They no go green me. So many of his videos like this are there. Dear Professor Charles Soludo, this is Akunara Tugo. Now, people are judging that it is an old video. So when somebody buy the king of your village run, after 6 years, the person come back, he go say na old matter. When person buy your papa run, after 6 years, you go say na old matter, abi? These are human corpse. These are human corpse. You see? Lay his face. Eforian, Akwanara Tugo. Him and his gangs should be apprehended, dear sir. Dear Professor Charles Soludo, this guy poses as a bad image to our society in this 21st century. Please everyone, help me tag. Help me tag Professor Charles Soludo. Help me tag his page. Help us, please. He listens to us. He listens. He watches whatever you are saying here. Your decision. The governor watches it. The governor sees it. Sir, there is a law. I'm not talking to the governor on this one now. For those people watching me, there is a law. There is a law that prohibits anyone to be summoned before any deity whatsoever. No citizen, because after they must have summoned this person here, if the person is not careful, they will pay people that will go behind the nyonya who poison on one. They start claiming the person's corpse. Please, guys, let's thank the governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo, that Akunara Tugo may be apprehended. We are not wishing Akunara Tugo bad. We only want him to be curtailed. Please, guys, let's thank Professor Charles Soludo. Let's do this. Let's do this together. We can do it. Please, let's calmly thank the governor here. Call his attention to this. Everyone, Iman Ichoki Igbo gesi where them tag both the Nigerian police force, tag Professor Charles Soludo, tag his vice, tag who is who. That this guy may be curtailed. We are not wishing him bad. We only want him to be controlled. He should be regulated by the law. There you see corpses. Wasn't them mother? If we want a picture on them mother name, how would you feel that all of a sudden if you picture on the internet and somebody will got how would you feel? Yes, Akunara Tugo is hiding, but his numbers are still on. He's still collecting monies from people. Let us tag this awesome governor and his team. Let us tag them. Let us tag him. Go ahead, dear fans. Go ahead. He claims omnipotent omniscience. Hold on, that I may show you another video of Akunara Tugo. Ebane Butari Ozundem mother. And from another person's page, but I think I have to get it from there. I have to get it from another person's page also. This one is last 2 years. No, this is in 2000. His own shrine. In his own shrine. People know him. Onye Eze, the man, this man, our young man. Good. So let us. This one, this video was analyzed by Obum Blog. Obum Blog. Wait, I will find way to bring it complete. This is Akunara Tugo. You can see Oja in his hands, and the ambulance you see there brought human corpse. We don't know the relatives of this person. This person's relatives, we don't know them. So how or where did he get these corpses from? Where did Akunara Tugo get this or got these corpses from? Sir, I am reminding you, sir, that in a place they call Obosi, at the effort and consign of Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi, I joined the team who went to Obosi. We went and cross-checked with authority to prevail there. We went there, sir. We went and checked. We went and checked. I am on live video. I am on live video. You said? You're a very stupid person. Come and get out from this call. Kabundo to Hana Bom. This guy be a bloody fool. So we went to Obosi, where a lady stood at stood on Zion Ministries ground and laid complaint to the Zion legal team and Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi that her sister's grave was opened in Obosi and the corpse was harvested, was taken out of the grave, and all of a sudden the corpse was seen or found on a live camera, telecasted on live camera. They drew this corpse on the ground and took it to Akunara Tugo Shrine with the brother, where they received this woman's corpse. Okay? Where they received this woman's corpse. Where they received this particular woman's corpse. In that particular shrine. Hold on, let me block this person for being very stupid here. How will you feel that your elder sister or your cousin sister, hey, sir, I should call the number, let you guys, you push, will greet the guy. The guy is a fool. The person calling me is one of their members. He's okay. Oh, okay, guys. Can I deal with Onye Eze small? Can I join him on our Wahala? Can I go there on our Wahala? His number is 091. I repeat, the number of one native doctor who called me here and said that I am spoiling work for them. He's one of them. He's one of them. Chamber, you people can still consider this guy. Look into him. I'm going see way straight in the up small. His number is 091 611 94 698. And I repeat, one of the native doctors who just called me here to talk trash. His number is 091 611 94 698. He's just a native doctor. And what Onye Eze level. Let me call the number again. Fire Tony a WhatsApp call. Joya me sure the nka self one hungry idiot. Nke level. Yes. Nke level. All of them. Nke level. Let me call the number. Somebody can comment it. The number again is okay. Somebody has typed it. I know. The number is 091 611 94698. So nde Agune chamber visit to Onye Nka. That's how they do. Yesterday night, many of them were calling me, Governor Eziokwu, wapanya bende dibia no, wapanya nka. Come see me pastor, come see me dibia. Who has called the number? Okay. Victor also typed the number. Chibos of Victor typed the number also here. So, man, everybody catch on to their WhatsApp calls. Joya me sure the Kwayama, Joya me sure the Amma. Yesterday, many of the world called me. Now, Mama H.F. Come boss no siapo. Mbachi on. Come on, get Osborne to himself because he thought Obama would be shivering. Ta! What for the Onyara? Also Cobra. Okay, somebody said the tracking pin searching, showing location or Okija. Now them. Ndiara. This one now. Why are you not calling on the phone? I thought you would just go to Ikuku for a hotel. Okoko. Umwe Cambodians. Ndara. In my community. In my Ingo Peak na aka we onwe okoko na enwe onye in my community. Oje can see has office data. Oh my here gave me now. Guys, let me tell you all one simple way for we to. That time I do recovering of funds, monies for people. Do you know one strength I have? Members of my WhatsApp group. Wait, let me suspend somebody. That's how I treat them. Members of my WhatsApp group. Hence I am on live section like this. Chebatego. Once I want to recover money for somebody on WhatsApp, you know how we do it? I will drop the number on my WhatsApp group. Members will pressure the person. In a day, in wake up small call, 100, 200 calls. You must pay. So if 1,000 of you here decides that Onye Eze here up, all of you will team up. My face is showing on camera, but you are the one doing the major job. Once I send that person warning, the person did not comply. If we say between now till tomorrow 8 o'clock, everybody will be batching the person's phone number. Also, you know, the person will comply immediately. That was at the first time I recovered money from Akunara to go here on this live section. Immediately I called this number. Man, my fans here pushed calls to his phone immediately. He paid that money. Many. Okay, somebody. Thank you, Adabeke. Adabeke is a living witness. She said, I remembered when you did it to Prophet Elijah Chidebere 2 years ago. Thank you. You're a living witness here. Immediately calls came in. The power of unity. The power of, like as you are tagging Professor Charles Oludo, the governor of Anambra State now. He won't keep quiet. They will be looking for him. Akunara Tugo about to go from Obodia. But I want Akunara Tugo. 3 persons cannot be in the cell. While Akunara Tugo, Boyen has a case and a basket and blast. You don't know. Mother charge Diego. Murder charge is not anyhow something. How will you feel that your own brother? Do you know how many persons sign a church on Ala Igbo? My name, any little thing, I got tag our brothers. Our tag here, and not tag here, no, our brothers, Sagane, Bushin, people that are doing these things, they are not living in the bush. The Bible says that one's enemy are those of his household. Not every little thing. For example, if the government will leave what they are supposed to be doing and be chasing after Nnamdi Kanu, who did not do anything to you, by the way, must everybody tag every abnormality to the innocent man?